Good morning, everyone. We are in Manchester, in Didsbury. It's a small suburban town. I'm just walking past this cancer research hospital right here. It is pretty. This one on this side is being built on this side, and apparently it's the biggest cancer research hospital in the world, which is pretty cool. But anyway, today we are going on a nice walk because the weather is banging good. It's been not the greatest the last couple of days, but the weather today is really nice. So I'm gonna go on a nice 10-minute walk down the road. I'm going to get my shirt cleaned. I'm about to leave Manchester and I'm gonna go visit London. This is gonna be my last couple of days before I head out to go to London. So I'm just kind of getting all my things ready and packing my bags. My flight leaves tomorrow at like around 1 p.m. And I want to say to you guys all for watching, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm doing this solo travel thing, which I've never done myself. And I'm finding it to be quite interesting. I would say it's a battle of emotions. You know, you do feel a little homesick at times, and you do feel a little excitement for new experiences that you face. I've realized that, you know, going to a completely different city and trying to live there is pretty doable, at least for most places, I would say. Here, the language barrier was not really existent. The only thing was maybe an accent that would be maybe a little hard for some people to pick up on. But for me, it was very easy to understand and communicate with everyone that was in this area. And I will say that in other places of the world, you will find it to be much more difficult to kind of integrate inside of society or a neighborhood. Right now, for me, I'm in this Didsbury, Withington kind of fallow field area, which is a mix of like students and just like working class people and, you know, suburban. And it's very similar to what I, you know, live at back home in San Jose, right? So it is it's quite easy for this city for me to mesh, I would say. Whereas if I went to like Tokyo, that would be much more difficult for me because it'd be a language barrier, huge culture gap barrier, and so on. But overall, Manchester is a place that I would come back to. I could definitely see myself spending summer here. London, I don't know yet because I'm about to go find out right now. As a solo traveler, as a first time, let you guys all tell you, big reveal. I am staying in a hostel for the first time. Can you believe that? I never thought I would ever do it, but here I am. And not in a bad way, like, oh, it's like something I look down on. It's like, honestly, I'm just more scared of just kind of getting out of my comfort zone and kind of just getting thrown into a dorm room, because I didn't go to a student housing or a dorm life for the first 2 years. I went to a community college, so I didn't really deal with that. I haven't slept yet actually today, but I have been sleeping. I know it's kind of, I know you guys are probably watching like, dude, this guy never sleeps. I do sleep. It was just yesterday was rough because I was just trying to get all my stuff in line for the trip. I kind of got used to seeing everyone on the right hand side of the road. I think it's gonna get weird flipping back. Thank you guys all for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate everyone. Looking like a noob out here, but it's down here in 150 feet. Missing cat. Missing cat. If you find the cat, let them know. Okay, so I just came to Carmello's. Look at this. Okay. Let's do a taste test right here. Banging. It's really sweet. It's really sweet. Okay, so presentation, I would say 5 out of 5. Taste, I'll put out like 4 out of 5 because it's a little really sweet. This is more of a dessert than an actual like breakfast. Work this one right here. I just finished breakfast, got a cup of coffee. I hit the pharmacy on the Quickness to get some critical products that I needed for my trip. Now I'm on a walk back home. I'm getting really tired at this point, so I'm gonna try to walk home and try to pack up a bit more and try to stay awake. But if I don't, and this is the end of our adventure, I want you guys all to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.